Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Just saying a quick hi to everybody. So I came outside. I'm sitting in the garage. Sitting in the garage. So I came outside on break from a training. From a training. E-marking. I don't know if you know that what that is, but yeah. Marking paper is online. And normally do that in the summertime. Yes. So I came outside, was going to do a live. My channel is relatively new, so you have to verify and all of these things. I have been trying to do that for the longest while. They say put in a number so a verification code can be sent to you, whether you want to choose to receive it by text message or you want to receive it by call. Every time I put in a number, the number is rejected. The number is not accepted. So I don't know if anybody has ever had that experience and you want to share with me how, what I need to do to get past this step. So I decided to me come out. I'm gonna do a little live, a little short live with have a little one-on-one talk with and thing, but it no work out. And wanted to go on a walk too. But guess what? It is raining. It is raining cats and dog. Let me just see if we can turn the camera. Yeah, it flipped. I don't know if you can see rain. Yeah, see the raindrops then there. It is raining cats and dogs. So I have to stay put right inside. I have to stay put right inside the garage right here. I'm the one who go live, I'm the one who go live, but don't sit down and wall like a conversation with and something, but I can't do that because I need to follow the verification steps. So just want like a 3-minute video. All right, peace out.